Now continuing with the cysts in oral and maxillofacial region, in this picture we're seeing different types of cysts in oral maxillofacial region which are found in various locations of the jaw. For example, in this picture we are seeing the dentigerous cyst. It is located in posterior mandibular region. It is a odontogenic cyst. Then nasolabial cyst, which is non-odontogenic cyst, is located in anterior region of the jaw. Particularly, it is more common in maxilla. Then polycyst or traumatic bone cyst is seen in posterior mandibular region. Static bone cyst, again, it is a pseudocyst which is found below the inferior alveolar canal. In radicular cyst, which is an odontogenic cyst, it is common in anterior region of jaw, common in maxilla, and associated with trauma. So it is a type of inflammatory odontogenic cyst. Or we can see different types of cysts, for example, incisive canal cyst or mucus retention cyst. I will tell you about origin of odontogenic cysts. Now, different types of odontogenic cysts, as we all know, are dentigerous cyst, odontogenic keratocyst, lateral periodontal cyst, gingival cyst of the adult, gingival cyst of the neonate, odontogenic cyst, and radicular cyst. Now, during intrauterine stages of life, in the 6th week, the epithelium proliferates at a more rapid pace and it grows in ectomesenchyme. It is called as invagination of the epithelium. As a result, there is formation of bud. This epithelium continuously grows in ectomesenchyme. So, there is continuous proliferative activity and epithelial growth occurs in this ectomesenchyme. Then, with time, there is formation of enamel organ and it has got 4 different layers. One is inner enamel epithelial organ, one is outer enamel epithelial organ, this one. Then inner layer is composed of stellate reticulum cell layers and sometimes there is stratum intermedium cell layer. This inner enamel epithelial cell layer, it is composed of tall columnar cells and it forms enamel. Whereas dental papilla is composed of odontoblasts and it gives rise to dentin. With time, the dental papilla also gives rise to pulp. There is formation of dental pulp and outer covering, whole covering of this enamel organ called as dental follicle. Dental follicle gives rise to cells of periodontal ligament. After the formation of the tooth, there is resorption of layers and there is formation of residual enamel epithelium. Residual epithelial cell layer. And there are rests of molasses, seen in future periodontal ligament region. Now, during in adult life, in our body surrounding these teeth, we have residual and epithelial cell layer. Cell rests of molasses are seen in periodontal ligament, and even there are certain layers of dental lamina. All these three are known proliferate by certain genetic mechanisms or by unknown mechanisms to give rise to cysts. Now, there is a type of cyst which can form by expansion of dental follicle. If there is abnormal expansion of dental follicle, it gives rise to dentigerous cyst. So this is important thing about dentigerous cyst, about its origin. Or if there is fluid accumulation in residual epithelial cell layer, it gives rise to dentigerous cyst. Or if there is fluid accumulation between residual epithelial layer and outer layer of crown, it again gives rise to dentigerous cyst. So, in case of dentigerous cyst, we have to remember it can arise from expansion of dental follicle, it can arise from fluid accumulation within REE layer, or it can arise from fluid accumulation between residual enamel epithelial cell layer and crown of erupted teeth. All these are possible mechanisms for formation of dentigerous cyst. Sometimes there is proliferation of dental lamina. Dental lamina proliferates abnormally, and then there is cystic transformation of rests of dental lamina. It gives rise to formation of odontogenic keratocyst, lateral periodontal cyst, gingival cysts, or CLO odontogenic cyst. We have to remember that this dental lamina is the source of formation of many cysts. Coming to point number three, sometimes there is abnormal proliferation of cell rests of molasses. These cell rests of molasses are seen in periodontal ligament. The proliferation of cell rests occurs in surrounding tissues and these grow towards the periphery. We have to remember that these rests are products of odontogenic epithelial cell rest. Now, it is an important mechanism for formation of radicular cyst. Radicular cyst is mostly seen in periapical regions. Lastly, cells of enamel organ, epithelial islands, remnants, particularly after completion of tooth, after tooth formation is complete, different remnants are seen. Sometimes stratum intermedium cellular or areas of dental follicle or stellate reticulum cellular very rarely. These various layers can give rise to odontogenic cysts. Thank you.